Petra is Jordan's greatest attraction, one of the new 7 wonders of the world, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. More than 2,000 years ago, the Nabatean Arabs built Petra at the junction of world trade routes for silk, spices, and perfumes. Like ancient caravans, you enter through the narrow Sikh, then explore this breathtaking city with its Arab accent on Greco-Roman style. At Jerash, one of the best preserved Roman provincial cities in the world, follow traces of chariot wheels along colonnaded streets. Reaching its peak in the 2nd century AD, Jerash was part of the Greco-Roman Decapolis, 10 cities inhabited by local people, but linked to the west by empire. During the early Islamic Empire, rulers built trading centers, farms, and rest houses where they could strengthen ties with distant local tribes. These so-called desert castles fuse the Roman, Byzantine, and Persian styles. Kerak Castle was built during the Crusader times. The castle shows you the impressive insight into the architectural military genius of the Crusaders. Soothe body and spirit at Jordan's most unique locations. World-class hotels offer a variety of signature spa treatments and specialized medical clinics. Float your troubles away on the buoyant Dead Sea and relax with a massage or therapeutic treatment. The Dead Sea is the world's largest natural spa. Active benefits of the lowest spot on Earth include mineral salts and mud. Lose yourself in the splendor of Wadi. Its timeless landscape has awed travelers for thousands of years, among them Lawrence of Arabia. Jordan's capital, Amman, ancient Philadelphia, is a multifaceted city. Citadel Hill dominates the old downtown and reflects the city's layers of history and culture. Once the site of biblical Rabbit Amman, it was also an important urban center in the Roman, Byzantine, and early Islamic periods. Sensations, encounters, insights, and thrills. Jordan takes you beyond.